I'm going around the world on a motorbike by myself.
Introductory song. Make it up as I go. This is extremely embarrassing for me, so I'm just going to say that I'm going around the world on a motorbike.
I'm going to ride something like 30,000 miles in I don't know how many days through a lot of different countries. Across Australia from Sydney to Perth, then from South Africa up through to North Africa into Egypt, and then taking the back road round through Eastern Europe, stopping at several places, and eventually landing up in Plymouth, England. I'll be bringing cameras. These ones. I'll be going on my own, so there won't be a cameraman. Everything will be filmed by me. There will also be no support vehicles. I'll be travelling around the world, linking up with myself at the borders. But really, the motorcycle will be on its own.